In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Enshrouded on your PC. So if you want to download this game, first of all, you must have Steam app installed into your device. If you don't have Steam installed into your device, you're going to open any browser in your system and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam. And once you have done that, you can go with the top link. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam. And in here, first of all, you're going to switch to the About section from the header of this website. After that, you're going to click on Install Steam. And once you click on Install Steam, the setup file of Steam will be downloaded into your device. And once it has been downloaded, you're going to navigate to the place where you have downloaded the setup file of Steam. And once you have found that file, you can just double click on that, and after selecting the location, Steam will be installed into your device. And once it has been installed into your device, you must have an account to continue. If you don't have a Steam account, you're going to click on create a free account from the lower right side of this window. And once you have done that, you're going to follow along the steps displayed on your screen. And once your account has been created, you're going to type in here your account name and password. And once you have entered your account name and password, you can just click on sign in. Then you will be logged into Steam and you're going to make sure that you are in the store section. Once you have done that, if you see at the upper right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. So you're going to type in the name of your game into the search box, which is Enshrouded. Then you will be able to see here Enshrouded game. So you're going to click on that. Then you need to scroll down until you find the option add to cart. Just click on that. Then you're going to click on purchase for myself. And after that, you can select here your payment method along with your payment information. And once you have done all of that, you can scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library. To go into your library section, you're going to click on library from the header of the screen. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here your game within the list on the left side of your screen. And once you have found that, you can just click on that game and then you can click on install. After checking the location where the game is being installed, you can just click on install. And once the installation process has been completed, you will be able to see here a play button instead of this install button. So you're going to click on that to start playing your game.